friends, welcome back. Today I'm trying to make Lauki Ka Halwa, which is, it looks like this. This is also called Oppo squash or bottle gourd. So with either one of the names, you can find it in the market. I got 3 of these. I have peeled and shredded one of them, and I wanted to show you how they look like, and I am going to peel and shred them and let you know how we do that to make delicious dessert out of it. The ingredients which we will need for this dessert are half cup of sugar, a can of sweetened condensed milk. In weight it is 396 grams, 14 ounces. We will have this is 1 cup of whole milk, green color, because this halwa, this dessert should be green. And I have shredded this khoya, which is mawa. So these are the ingredients. And we will need elaichi powder, which is green cardamom powder. So I will show you how usually I make the powder of it and the easiest way to do so. So over here I have 7 to 8 small green cardamoms. I have taken 2 tablespoons of sugar. It's easy to blend and make a powder this way. So we will just make the powder out of it. So let's see. Wonderful, I love it. I always have a trouble sees the cardamom powder. Oh god, it smells so good. It's mixed with the sugar and it's set to go in the recipe. So one is done. I'm going to peel this one too. If you have a peeler and your hand is set on your peeler, do so. I am better off doing it with the knife, so I am going to peel it with the knife. I'm going to show you how we have to take the skin out. So I'm going to cut this and then again like this. This one also, I'm going to cut it like this. And then take out these seeds. We don't have to use these, so I'm just gonna take them carefully. Now I'm gonna shred them. You can grate them. I'm going to make it easier and use all of these in my food processor and make it easier. Let's do this first. Perfect. We have to take them out in cold water, otherwise, like so many other vegetables, they change their color and turn dark. So we have to put the shredded one immediately in cold water. That's what I'm gonna do. In a non-stick pan I'm gonna make, and you have to, on medium high flame, you have to squeeze out, try to take all the water out of this and then put it without adding anything, just in the pot. This shredded lauki or the oppo squash is going in there. We'll use a spoon like this, which is a slotted spoon, and take it out over here. So now, as we have added just the shredded oppo squash, we have to cook it, fry it, let its water release and get dried up. Have a look here on medium high flame. I forgot to tell you guys about 2 things, which is ghee. We will need ghee, which is clarified butter, or you can also use oil if you have any health issues or if you don't want to use ghee. So it's 1 cup ghee. I'm gonna do half and half, so half cup ghee. Then I have these nuts, which are sliced almonds, pistachios, and walnuts. I'm gonna fry them a little in 1 tablespoon of ghee and then add it when needed. And I will save some to garnish on top of it. And over here, it took 5 to 7 minutes on medium-high heat. All the water has evaporated. It looks quite dried, and at this point, at the same flame, medium to high, we will add 1.5 cups of whole milk. Actually, 1 cup of milk looks exactly fine. I'm not adding any more milk. So 1 cup of whole milk. Just give it a stir. And then we are going to add everything together in it at the same point. So let's get started. Similarly, we are going to add the cardamom powder, which we made along with 2 tablespoons of white sugar. I'm going to add this to it. It's done. We will add 1/4 teaspoon to 1/2 teaspoon. This is green food color. I am using 1/4 teaspoon just to start with, leveled. I think it's enough. I will also add 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 tin of condensed milk. Now give it a mix. The flame is still on medium high, and 1/4 teaspoon food color, green food color looks just the right color to me. It really depends which food color are you using. If you need more, you can definitely add a little bit more. So on medium high flame, keep cooking it, keep stirring it in between, and we have to let it cook until all the milk is dried, the liquid milk. This dessert or this halwa will be cooked like in the slow cooking mode. So let's keep stirring it in between and let it cook nicely and thoroughly. You can also taste the sweetness, and if you want more, you can add a little bit more of the sweetened condensed milk. I have used 1/2 cup of sugar, which is regular white sugar, and 1/2 can of the condensed milk. So dear friends, exactly after 15 to 18, 20 minutes, this is how the milk has evaporated. The halwa looks like this. At this point, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of ghee. You can do 1/2 and 1/2. You can add some oil if you want. I'm using 1/4 cup of ghee, which is clarified butter. And the desiccated coconut, which is also 1/4 cup. This was sweetened coconut, which I just pulsed it in the coffee maker again. I'm also adding some cashews and some almonds and pistachios. Also added some almonds and pistachios, some cashews, and the desiccated coconut. I had the sweetened one, so just mix it all together. Wow, smells so delicious. At this stage, I am going to add the Khoya or the Mawa. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of Khoya. And now mix it together too. The flame is medium to low. We don't want anything to get burned. We just want to cook it through. And you're gonna dish it out. Still hot. Beautiful. Have a look at the pan. Because of the non-stick pan, everything came out and so neat and clean. And for here in the bowl, you can just level it like this. We can garnish it with some more almonds and pistachios, with some more Khoya. So dear friends, this Lauki Ka Halwa or the dessert of bottle gourd or oppo squash is ready. I'm sure that when you'll make it, you'll really enjoy it. I enjoyed making this recipe with you guys. So till next time, take good care and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, please. Till next time, goodbye.